I really didn't like it. No, I'm just kidding, I did. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to Nikki Plans. I am Nikki. It's finally nice to meet you. So, I got a box in the mail today. I'm super excited. It's my Happy Planner stuff, and I am going to be doing a Franken plan with the classic Happy Planner for next year. And some of my stuff is in here. So we are going to open this up and see what I got. I did get these washies. Very beautiful. I love the colors. I don't know. I like darker colors. Oh, I did get this planner companion accessories, and this is the holiday. And we're going to open that in a minute. I got a pencil case here for all of my markers and stuff, and you get your tabs and all that on here so you can put it right in your planner, which is awesome. And this says, be your own kind of beautiful. So cool. And then I got Sweat, Smile, Repeat sticker book. So excited. Okay, so a really good friend of mine is here on YouTube, and she's the one that kind of got me inspired to do something like this, because her channel she's going to start like workout regimens and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about that. Her name is DeeAnn. I will make sure to link her video in the description box below so you can go check her out, because she is freaking awesome. Love her to pieces. So anyway, oh, these are so cool. So sore, body is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, okay. So we're going to be putting some of those in the planner. And then I got 2 planners. I got the Make Healthy Habits. Make a Healthy Habit. And I haven't looked inside here. We are going to, you know what? I am going to go ahead and turn you around as soon as I'm done unboxing all this, and then I'm going to show you what these look like. And then I got the Have Fun in Your Faith. So this one is going to be so much fun. I cannot wait to get to January 1st and just kind of start playing and have some fun. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to go ahead and turn you around and put you on my table. So let's go. Okay, so let's unpackage this. Oh, winter fun. And see what we get. Oh, some more Christmas stickers. That's what I need. Very cool. You can write on that. Very nice. Oh, and then you get some cards. Meet me under the mistletoe. Have a cup of cheer. Very cute. Merry Friendsmas. A Merry Christmas wish for you, friend. Warm wishes. Warmest wishes to you and yours this holiday season. I love that. That's so cute. And you got making a list. Let's see here. We got a couple of them. That's nice. And naughty and nice. That is so cute. Checking it twice. And then, I don't know if you got to see that, but it says naughty and nice, and you can check that. Oh, you get some envelopes. Very cool. I've been wanting some of these just because I can put stickers in those and kind of take it on the go with me. Happy Christmas. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm going to have some fun playing with this weekend. And I'm going to go ahead and keep this little thing here because it's too cute not to. And we're going to set this aside. You also got a little bracelet in here with a little Christmas tree on it. Very cute. So neat. This is the stuff I'm going to use for this weekend, so we're going to set that aside. All right, let's get into the planner, see what it looks like. And it just gives you your layout here, which is really cool. Love that. Oh. All right, so this has crosses on it, which is beautiful. And then you have your hashtag blessed. Your 2021 and 2022 calendar here, which is gorgeous. I love the colors here. And then you have your year at a glance layout here. Heck yes, I feel blessed. I love it. And then these are just gorgeous. Look at the color. Oh, I am loving it. Prayers and praise, daily verses, this week's blessings. Oh, this is so cute. And all the pages throughout the month are the same. And then you have February. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Anyway. Stay calm and trust in my timing. Oh, I love that. You guys, I'm loving this. Okay. When life gets cray and Jesus is the way. Let's see. You've got this. And then God. Oh. Let's see. Faith till you make it happen. And at the end of every month here, you have a little saying. Let's see. This one says, everything will be all right. You can handle anything in life. Anything life throws your way, I am with you. Oh, I love it. Okay. Miracles happen. That's pretty. Oh, okay. I am like in love with this planner already. Jesus likes me. That's funny. I like it. Okay. Grace upon grace upon grace. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. Can I get an amen? Oh. And then this one's just like the cover. God's got this. November. Exercise daily, walk with God. And don't put people down unless you're writing them down on your prayer list. Perfect. Love it. We love this. This is my favorite one so far. I really, really like that. You're falling. No. Okay, there we go. Well, we're going to make this one our everyday planner. So we're going to throw this thing in there. Well, they go in there really snug, but that's nice. I like that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and set this aside for now. Let's open this one now. Before I throw this out, it's just another layout that you have. You can see what your layout's going to look like Really cool. This is the fitness layout. Alright, let's check this out. Oh, that's cool. So we have an entire 2 years to make your fitness goals, which is really cool. That's different. I've never seen something like that before. That's pretty neat. And then you have your year at a glance again. And you have your progress here in a grid form. January important dates, New Year's Eve, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, how I'm strengthening my mind, my body, myself. Really cool. Oh girl, you got this. Alright, January. Really cool. Just it's your normal layout, and then you have your notes over here, which is awesome. It's one of my favorite things about planners is like the notes page. Okay, and then you have another grid here, which is really nice because you can just throw some stickers up there. Or your glasses of water, how many times. We are going to be doing all this year, so don't fret. Okay, so you got today in the first box here. You got your focus, you got your food log, and you got your exercise right here. Really cool. I like that. So awesome. And I love these. These are so pretty. And then same thing. It just kind of repeats over and over, which is really cool. I think I've said cool like 5 times. It's really nice anyway. So it gives you some important dates, and then it leaves you room to put dates on here if you have like a birthday that you don't want to forget or something like that. Like I'd write all my kids and the months they were born. I'll make sure to do that when we go through these planners and kind of put them together, and then we'll be making videos throughout the year with these, and I'm just going to be able to show you everything I'm doing in a year. So and how I plan my days and all that. I'm super excited. Okay, so that's all the stuff I got in my Happy Planner box. Super excited. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, because there is a lot more to come. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.